Alright, these little brackets and this bolt come with the earthwise. You're going to take our hex hole brackets, they fit nicely on these shafts. So you're going to put your brackets on each side. And you're going to drop it in here. You're going to take your bolt, slide in there, and your wing nut. Just like that. Come on. Tighten that down. Same thing on the other side. Get started. Oh boy. There we go. And then lift it up. Should spin really nice. That's the 11-pound roller.